So we're going to look at how to factorise, or factorising, which is putting something back into brackets. So if we look at something like 3x plus 6, if we look at each part, we can split the 3x down into 3 times x. We can split this 6 down into 2 lots of 3. Now we've done that, I can circle what they have in common. Well, they both have a 3 in them. There is no other letter or number they have in common. So I'm going to bring the 3 outside the bracket. So what do I times the 3 by to get this 3x? Well, I've still got an x left here, so I must have an x here. What do I times the 3 by to get to 6? I still have a 2 here, so it must be 2. But it's not just 2, it's a positive 2, because we want a positive 6 as our answer. And 3 times positive 2 is positive 6. Let's try a slightly harder one here. So this time we've got 14x plus 20. And we're going to ask, what do each of these break down into? Well, 14x. We know that's 2 lots of 7. And don't forget the x, times it by x. 20. Oh, it's a tricky one. Let's practice. 20 is the same as 5 times 4. But we can break down 4 further into 2 times 2. And we want to break these numbers down as far as we can, otherwise we might not spot common factors, common numbers that go into both parts. So 20 we would write that it's 5 times 2 times 2, and there's no x there, so that's it. Now we're going to have a look. What numbers are common to both? We've got a 2 here and a 2 here. There we are. And that looks like the only one. So what is unique to both? Well, this part we've got 7 times x, and we write that out as 7x. And here we've got 5 times 2, and 5 times 2 is 10. The only thing we're missing is the sign in the middle. So 2 lots of 10 are 20. So 2 lots of positive 10 are 20. Do be careful about splitting down this 4. One other thing you need to be aware of is there is a 2 here and a 2 here, but we only write that 2 down once. We're writing down what is in common in each part.